zodiac sign is a demon. Every zodiac sign is a demon. So what happens when you claim the identity of that zodiac sign over you, when you come into agreement with the zodiac sign, with the birth chart, the moon cycles, whatever, you are literally yoking to a demon of that particular sign or element, because you are taking its identity as your own identity. You are coming into agreement with the personality traits that the zodiac assigns you, right? Signs you, the zodiac assigns you. So if you say, oh, I'm an Aries, just unpredictable and full of rage, that is you yoking yourself to the unclean spirit of that zodiac. And thus, when we do so, their personality works through us, because demons are spirits without a body. They need a home. By calling yourself Leo, Gemini, Sagittarius, by calling yourself that by name, you are calling yourself by the name of a demon, okay? The world, the astrological birth chart spoke the demonic prophecy of Gemini over me. And when I spoke that over myself, I was giving the spirit of double-mindedness permission to operate through me. And guess what I was? I was double-minded.
Yo, ang dating ex-astrologer na ang nagsabi na masama ang zodiac sign. Ang sabi nga sa Bible, let no one be found among you who practices divination or sorcery, interprets omen, engaging in witchcraft. Ang sabi sa Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 10 to 12. Ayun, igad na humanap tayo ng guidance sa manghula, tarot, astrology, or occult practices. Si God daw ang dapat nating hinga ng direction. Ang sabi sa Isaiah chapter 47 verse 13 to 14, let your astrologers come forward, those who make prediction month by month. Sinasabi dito na hindi kayang iligtas ng astrology or ng horoscope ang tao. Limited lang ang alam ng tao compared sa wisdom ni God. Galatians chapter 5 verse 19 to 21, idolatry and witchcraft. Kasama ang witchcraft, sorcery sa mga bagay na nilalayo tayo ni God. Nilalayo tayo kay God. Leviticus, do not turn to medium or seek out spiritista. Leviticus 19 verse 31. Jeremiah 29 verse 11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Imbis na umasa sa zodiac sign para malaman ng future, itinuturo ng Bible na si God ang may hawak ng future natin. Mas importante daw ang prayer, wisdom at pagtitiwala kay God kaysa sa horoscope. Minsan curious lang talaga ang tayo sa zodiac sign or horoscope for fun, pero ang message ng Bible is huwag gawing guide ng buhay ang stars, cards at manghuhula. Si God ang tunay na source ng wisdom.